S2Y Enterprise Health Solutions. Hello, business leaders. Today I want to talk about a hidden crisis that's silently eroding your company's productivity: long COVID. Let's start with some staggering numbers. In the United States alone, long COVID costs the economy $3.7 trillion every year. Between 2 and 4 million full-time workers are unable to return to their jobs. And here's what's truly surprising: over 90% of that productivity loss doesn't come from sick leave. It comes from what's called presenteeism. What does that mean? Your employees are physically at their desks, but brain fog and chronic fatigue are quietly slashing their output by 40 to 60%. They struggle to focus, their error rates triple, meeting comprehension drops dramatically, and by noon they're completely exhausted. This is an invisible loss, hard to detect, but devastating to your bottom line. On the other side, key employees simply can't show up at all. For small businesses with fewer than 200 people, losing even one critical team member can stall projects, blow deadlines, and trigger a cascade of failures across teams. 47% of long COVID cases last more than a year, and replacing an employee costs 50 to 200% of their annual salary. So what can S2Y do for you? We offer 4 core solutions. First, StVNS Neuromodulation. This is a medical-grade auricular vagus nerve stimulator designed to help employees overcome brain fog and regain productive focus. The data shows a 28% improvement in heart rate variability, and 92% of users report better emotional regulation. Each device is $900, with rental options available. Second, Omer AI. This is a GDPR-powered health intelligence system that delivers personalized, explainable recovery protocols for each employee. It features zero hallucination risk and 100% reasoning transparency. Omer AI is included in all subscription plans. Third, HOCl Immune Care. Clinical-grade hypochlorous acid protocols that effectively reduce inflammation and prevent reinfection, which is the primary driver of worsening long COVID symptoms. 67% of users feel more protected, and outcomes are 3.4 times better than self-guided approaches. Fourth, mobility support. Portable mobility devices designed for office, warehouse, or outdoor environments, helping employees manage their energy and maintain functional capacity. Each device is $900, also available for rental. When it comes to pricing, our plans are flexible and transparent. The Lite plan starts at just $99 per month and includes Omer AI. The standard plan comes with 2 StVNS devices, perfect for piloting with your most affected team members. All devices are available for rental with a fully refundable deposit of 50% of the device value. And qualifying businesses get their first month completely free, no credit card required for software access. On data security, rest assured, we are fully HIPAA compliant and GDPR ready. Individual health data is never shared with employers. Companies only see anonymized, aggregate insights. To learn more, visit our website at s2y.us/enterprise and take a 60-second assessment. We'll recommend a personalized plan with the exact device quantities your team needs. No long-term contracts. Cancel anytime. S2Y, helping your team recover the productivity you've been losing. Start your free trial today.